Step 1. Mounting. Mount the base into your surface using the appropriate hardware, not included. Step 2A. Rotation. For rotation stop adjustment, the rotation stop screws can be moved to any of the holes in the outer ring of the base. Step 2B. No rotation. To prevent rotation, place the rotation stop rib over the top of a rotation stop screw. Step 3. Rotation stop position. When placing the top of the mount onto the base, ensure the rotation stop rib falls in between the rotation stops that were set in place in Step 2. Step 3B. Releasing mount. Locate the release tab inside the mount. Using a flathead screwdriver or similar tool, pull back on the tab. With the tab pulled back, lift upon the upper portion of the mount to release. Step 4A and 4B. Remove the two screws in the mount and discard. Next, take the Ingenico lane adapter and screw it into the mount using the two longer screws provided. Tighten with the provided T15 L key. Step 5. Push the adapter key down. With the key pushed down, pull the key back. With the key pushed back, slide the payment terminal onto the mount. Once the payment terminal is successfully attached to the mount, the key can be returned to its original position or removed to lock the payment terminal on the stand. Step 6. Adjustment feature. To adjust the tilt friction, remove the hex nut covers and tighten or loosen the 13mm hex nut, outer, while securing the pivot screw on the inside of the mount with a 14mm wrench. Adjust both sides as needed.